Hi students, so I want to show you how to check your grades. It's like one of the first questions I usually get when students start out and they're trying to figure out, if you're new to school. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google. So you can see I'm already on a Google, and you're going to go into the search engine right here, and you're going to type Aries, which is our platform that we use for our grades. And then you're going to type our city, which is Tulare, California, and you're going to click enter. And in case you didn't see that, I made it really big right here. This is how you spell Aries, because a common mistake is I see students spell it wrong all the time. So you're going to type in that Aries right there. That's how you spell it. And then you're going to, once you type it in, you can see right here, it's going to pull up, and you want to click this one that says Aries Portable Tulare Joint Union High School District. And you can see right here, it says grades, all this good stuff right here. So you're going to click that. And now you're on the portal where you can actually log in with your email and your password to check your grades. Very important to get used to checking this. Now, what I would also recommend is if you see up here, there's a little star. I started. So what I mean I start is you click this star button up here. Let's see if I can even circle it up here so you guys can see. Oh, it won't let me circle the star. But anyways, you click this star button right here, and I change it from Aries Portable to grades, or maybe I'll turn it check my grades right here. Anything that helps you remember that that's your grades, and you click done. Now you have bookmarked it. And what's really nice about bookmarking it then is if you go up here, you click this button, the three little dots in the top right corner, and you go down to bookmarks, and you go over, and then you scroll down, you can see it says grades right here. So next time I want to come back here, I can come back real fast. So let's just say I'm on google.com. And I'm like, oh, I want to check my grades. I can click this again and go to bookmarks again, go over, and look, I click the grades button, and I'm on, and I can check my grades. Okay. Hopefully that helps. Bye.